Now what you'll see a lot of people do is this. They get ready, they might even tip their barrel or muzzle up, they might come from the low ready and they tip up, and then they do this. Like that. We call this bowling. Not sure why people do it exactly, but for some reason it seems to feel comfortable to them. So they come from this position and they dip down and come back up with a big wide swing towards the target. As you can see, that's not very good economy of motion. Now, another one that people do that's similar but slightly different is the fishing motion. And if you can't figure it out, it's just the opposite. It's where they start out like this, and they go back onto the target. So you see what they've done here is instead of swinging up with the firearm, they've now swung from the straight in position to kind of a casting position like fishing. So again, they're going to start out from here, maybe they tip their barrel or muzzle up towards the target, and then they kind of cast like a fishing motion out towards the target.